Hello all you good looking people, we're here at Dharawal National Park today and we're going to do the short walk out to Madden Falls. Come along and check it out with me. As always, pack those bags, fill those water bottles and let's get going. How cool is this? This tree's obviously been ripped apart by a lightning strike or something. Still growing. Still super healthy. Amazing. So to get to Madden Falls, you actually want to head down that way, but we're going to go check out down that way first. So it actually leads to this little part of the creek. I think that's some sort of pump system there. You can hear the sounds of frogs everywhere around you. It's pretty cool. So, you can continue down this way to Madden Falls, or check out this side trail, like I tend to do. Obviously, not just content to view it from the platform, we're going to get a closer look, but from here you do at your own risk because the surfaces are slippery and there is a high chance of falling, so make sure you know that. Let's continue. So be careful as you try and traverse this area. Usually you want to pick the drier spots to move along. Less chance of slipping if it's dry. This is the sketchy bit, so take your time, get good foot placement, and then you're across. So you get to this area denoted by these two gnarly trees on either side, and this is the safest way for you to get down. Don't go doing anything silly and getting yourself injured. Try and be safe as possible. Always minimize risks. So you basically want to hug the rock face as you're coming along until you see this gnarly tree here, and then head down this way. So that there was Madden Falls. What did you think? Pretty easy walk. Just be careful on that last section if you're going to get down closer towards it. Anyways, as you can see, it's a fairly easy walk. A lot of paths made for you already. If you come here with kids, make sure you take care of them. I saw a family that just let their kids run around at the top of the falls. It's all fun and games until, you know, the kid slips and then goes over the falls. Watch out for your kiddos, people. No one wants to see that on a day out. Anyways, as always, I hope you enjoyed that. Take care of yourselves, take care of nature, and I'll take care of you. I'll see you on the next one. I'm gonna put the camera away now, probably walk back, take some bird photos. Might include those if I get anything good. So, yeah, bye.